In this video, we will look at division of complex numbers. So for this slide, we will try to transform division of complex numbers, means that in this form, into the standard form. So if you want to transform the complex number which is in division form into standard form, what we have to do is we will multiply the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of denominator. So we will multiply the denominator with conjugate of denominator and the numerator with conjugate of denominator. Let's look at example 4. Let's say for this question, express 1 minus 2i over 2 plus 3i in standard form of a plus bi. In order to transform this fraction, which is the complex number in fraction form, into standard form, what we have to do is we have to multiply with the conjugate of denominator. So from here, 1 minus 2i over 2 plus 3i. So where is the denominator? So here is the denominator. So what we have to do? We have to multiply with the conjugate. So this is the denominator, which is 2 plus 3i. So the conjugate of denominator, suppose, is 2 minus 3i. So for the numerator, we also multiply with 2 minus 3i. So you can see here, multiply with the conjugate of denominator. So after this, we will try to expand. 1 times 2, 2. So minus 3i minus 4i plus 6i squared over 2 times 2 is 4. So minus 6i plus 6i minus 9i squared. So we try to simplify. So this is 2 minus 7i plus 6i squared. Remember that I squared is negative 1. So over, so here is 4 minus 6i plus 6i. So this one will cancel out. Minus 9i squared again is negative 1. So if you look carefully here, we can cancel out. So finally, we have 2 minus 7i. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6 over 4 plus 9. Negative 9 times negative 1 is positive 9. So next, 2 minus 6 is negative 4 minus 7i over 4 plus 9 is 13. So finally, we just separate into two parts. Means that here is negative 4 over 13 minus 7 over 13i. So from the division of complex numbers, now we transform into standard form. So what we have to do is we have to multiply with the conjugate of denominator.